Hello everyone, I am Mr. Reagan. I am a member of USA Para Taekwondo team. So I just wanted to do the videos so I can show you guys that you have an opportunity to do kicks. And anything you have, a walker, chair, so basically, I'm gonna be doing weapons also. I'm also a XMA championship too, two-state champ. So the video is gonna show you how to rotate your hips when you kick. It'll be your back leg. Whenever you want to put your foot up and kick, and rotate your hips. And I will be back to give you more tips. Back foot roundhouse kick. You want to make sure that you are up close to the weight master. And just be careful too, because you have a bar here between you and, because of your walker. So, when you do this kick, just make sure you rotate your hips when you kick. So you want to put your left foot towards the waymaster or the back or the person. So, your back leg is going to be the one that kicks. So, remember, don't forget to rotate your hips when you do this kick, because let me show you what you do if you don't twist your hips. This is what happens if you don't twist your hips. See, you just kick the back. I'm going to show you again. See, that's what happens if you don't rotate your hips. So when you rotate your hips, you get power. So basically go out. Do it again. I'll do one more time. So you rotate your hips. Rotate your hips so you have more power to push out. And remember, for your back leg, put your knee up and twist your hips. And you do the kick. Hiya! 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 I'm Justin McKinley. That's how you do a back leg roundhouse kick. And thank you, Ian, for giving me this opportunity to do these videos. I'm gonna have more videos coming, so stay tuned and look for me in tournaments. So I'm Justin McKinley.